Hello friends, this is Codecraft. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I have an index.html file and I have an style.css which is empty. Now I will link the CSS here. I type style.css. Now the first thing is I will create a div and the class will be this container. Inside the div I will create 4 other div. It multiply by 4 and the class will be called. Now the first inside this I will say Python, and the next will be HTML, and the next is CSS, and the next will be I think JS. So I will start my live server here. So you can see now I will go to my CSS and I will start designing here. The first thing will be I'll make here a root. Inside this I will put some colors. The background will be hash. This will be 1 F2. Next scroll bar background, it will be this. So the next will be text. The text will be this, and the next is text active, and for this the background I'll put this. Now going to style the HTML, I'll say the scroll behavior will be smooth, and the next I will style the body. The font family first will be font sans serif. I think the font family this will be good, and the height will be 100 ph, and also the background color will be background, and display flags, justify content center, and align item will be center. Now going to my browser, so you can see this style is applied. Now the next is I'll also put in the top universal selector, which I would say margin 0, padding 0, box sizing will be 1 box. Going down again, and the next is I will style the container. Inside the display will be flags, and flags direction will be row. Now the gap will be I think 24 pixel will be good, and the padding will be 16 pixel, and max weight will be 200 pixel. I'll see the overflow dash x will be scroll, and scroll slam dash type will be x, and literal. Into my browser again, so here is how it appears. Now the next I will style for the card. Min width will be its 200 pixel, and the min height will be also 200 pixel, and color will be text, display will be flags, and the font width will be 600, and font size will be 1.5 when, and the border radius will be 16 pixel, and also the transition will be all 0.2 second, and align item will be center, and also justify content center, and the cursor will be pointer, scroll slab align will be start. I'm going to my browser again. That's how you can see. Now this is good, but I'll add styling to this. So the next is, the first will be the end child 1. I'll style this. Here this background will be, first the background image will be linear gradient, and the first will be to bottom. The color will be this, and the next color will be this. Now again I will copy this, simply Ctrl C. This will be fourth child. And now let's end up. On the next is, inside the container I'll say webk-scroll bar. The height for this I will say 10 pixel. The next container, scroll bar track. The background will be where scroll background, and also the border radius will be this. Container, say background for this, the thumb background will be text, border radius will be also text. So now I'll go to my browser. So here you can see a Python, and I'll scroll this, the HTML, the CSS, and JS. This is how you can make this scroll slab using HTML and CSS. So this is a horizontal scroll slab. I hope you will have enjoyed this, and you can customize this, adding more styling according to you, whatever you want. I hope you will have enjoyed this, and if you like the video, press the like button, also press the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.